Today we're going to show you how a Moffett automated system works. We're going to go around all the different aspects of the Moffett ASR taxi system. I look forward to showing you everything that we do, from 1-ton pallets to 27-metre buildings to minus 27-degree warehousing. The heartbeat of the Moffett system is the 4-directional taxi that we manufacture in-house. We don't only manufacture the hardware but also the software. This machine can lift 1.5 tons, it's a 100 amp hour battery, a 30mm gap here for underhang, and we store the pallet on a 1200 wide basis. There's many features that this machine can do, not just as a moving robot, but the software that's driven behind it. We can do in-house buffering, stage loads within the racking, and that all comes down to our traffic management system.
So the taxis opportunity charge, which means that they will travel to a charging location to charge at a time that is convenient to them. Here we can see a taxi travelling to a charging location. The taxis take a maximum of 2 hours to fully charge.
Some key features to the 4D taxi is scalability and redundancy. With redundancy, you can bypass this machine from a day-to-day basis if there's an issue and work around it. For servicing, it does only weigh 350 kilos. You can take these machines out of the racking structure very easily and keep the uptime of your warehouse to a maximum.
As part of our solution, we have designed a meshed Wi-Fi system. This is how we communicate with the taxis. The meshed Wi-Fi system is installed entirely through the racking structure.
Now we're at the vertical transfer unit. Here, this is how we disperse the pallets from level to level with the taxi. So when the taxi enters into the elevator, our 11 kilowatt counterweighted motor takes the pallet and taxi and disperses the pallets from level to level, row to row. The great thing about this is that the taxi can leave the levels, and the redundancy is that the taxi can drive from any elevator to any row at any time. Here we can see that we have screeded the racking away from the concrete floor, allowing you to have a more affordable floor, not needing it to be super flat.
So another key aspect of the Moffett ASRS system is the safe access and egress of the system. So in this case, we got a set of ladders to get up and down through the various levels of the racking structure. There's meshed walkways so that the maintenance personnel can easily access the system at each access point.
One of the key USPs of Moffett Automated Storage is our ability to provide a full project approach to every automated system. We will look at the areas that have the most automation and the most required work to get the system up and going. And we can then get the automation, the commissioning of that element of the system done, and then we can add on further racking and storage spaces after the fact. That means we can get the customer's new storage system up and running as quickly as possible, which makes life a lot more simple for them when they're starting a new warehouse or transitioning from an old warehouse to a new warehouse.
So we're here at the inbound conveyor. We can offer any type of solution here, whether it's 1, 2 or 5 inbound conveyors. We can have it directly fed with forklift, AGV, powered pallet truck, or direct feed conveyor from your production line. We measure the pallet in 50mm increments, so the system is designed to optimize the storage within the warehouse. We can take pallets of any size and we'll measure them and optimize that warehouse to the height of the pallet that's in there. The pallet will reverse back, be squared. It'll go through a size and verification like curtain. We'll ensure that the timber of the pallet is fit for purpose, all the blocks are present, and everything is there to allow that system to operate sufficiently. Here is the light curtain. We will measure everything here. We'll read the barcode automatically, or we can also offer a handheld applicator if that's what is required for your business, or it's automatic, all built within this tower.
The operators would enter all the pallet information through a handheld device such as this. This then sends the information via our API to our control system, which then stores all that information in our database. The customer goes through their WMS and sends a query via API to our control system, and we pass the information back to them.
We are now at an outbound station where pallets can come out staged in sequence, in order, by a batch ID, and these conveyors can be designed per loading dock, compatible with PPT, AGV, or just a standard counterbalance fork truck. As part of the outbounding, we can do in-rack staging of any loads with your warehouse management system, giving you product delivered to the outbound station in a rapid response when required by product ID, batch ID, or just FIFO and LIFO.
One of the key aspects of our business is the after sales and support we offer our customers. We do this through a secure VPN where we log in using our own in-house monitor. We can fault find issues for the customer and offer them mechanical support and offer advice on how best for them to proceed. We also have a trained team of engineers available on call to visit a customer's site when required.